Hey, myself Karan, and today I am going to give you a quick introduction about our Formmaker app by which you can create multi-step form in Hubspot. You don't need to do anything much. You just click here on Start Free, and you will connect your Hubspot account with that, and boom, you are connected.
Creating your multi-step form in Formmaker. Go to step forms, click over creative form, give any name to your form, and now come to elements where you will find the layouts by which you can start creating your form. Just drop the required layouts which you want for your form. Image and this text. So I'm gonna add this text here, add some text content in that. Suppose I have added personal information. Here you can manage your FormMaker form steps. You can edit their labels, which will be show over your live form. You can add one more step. You can also edit the label of the step. You can delete the steps also, and you can drag and drop up and down. Over which step you will click, you will get that tab activated. After that, click up HubSpot fields. These all fields are fetched from HubSpot, which you have created in your HubSpot account. I'm using search to searching my HubSpot fields, and just you need to drag that fields into over your layout. I have added last name, first name, and one last I will add email ID. And after that, I will go to next step, and you can also go from there. Now I'm gonna add a single layout here, and after that, I will again go to HubSpot fields, and I have already created a radio select for the demo purpose. This is a radio select field. So now see the magic. This is the advanced option. Change the select input type to image select. Now you have radio select with image select option. I have already uploaded two images there for demo purposes. So just click over that image and choose and save. You can also edit the label if you want, but now right now I'm not editing the labels. I'm just changing the images here. I'm also gonna make this field required. Same I will do with the other fields like first name, last name, and email. Every field type have different select input type. For example, this text box have multiple input types which you can convert like browse file, ratings that we will explore later. Now the basic form setup is done. I'm going to end screen. In end screen, you can see that we can modify the end screen content. We can add a redirect link. We can allow user to reset or not as per the requirement. Now let's jump over to theme settings. Here you will find that you can customize each and everything in a form. You can add a background image. I've already added some images in gallery section, so you can choose from there and you can upload your own. This is the form in which I'm using material UI. So you have three input options: outline, field, and standard, and background color options, form input color options. Means you have full power to customize this form as per your brand needs. After theme setting, now explore logics. In logics, you can add logic to show and hide fields, but this is advanced form, so you can show and hide steps also. We have two condition or an and. You can combine multiple conditions. I'm checking with one only. First name, I suppose I selected first name and equal to, I'm giving my name Karan. Then you can show multiple inputs, but I'm doing with slide, show slide, and show slide 2. Now slide 2 is dependent on the first input value. If I will go to preview to see this thing in action, uh, see here, if I will add current here, so step 2 pop up. Right now I'm not adding logic in my form, so removing it, go to preview. See, it is default now. We have three different options in the form: with sidebar steps, without steps, with header steps. The step settings will be customized from there. You can make changes there and back to the form edit page to save the changes. If I will click over next, you can see the how required fields works. You need to fill this fields to go to next step. Here you can see the how ready select looks like when you convert this into image select. When you submit, this is a set form. This is a live preview of a form. Now let's explore last feature, which is calculator. Here the radius selects drop down checkboxes. You can map with a value plus and minus as per you want. Suppose I have adding 100 points on choosing male and adding 15 points on choosing female. Result page settings also there. You want to show the result on end screen, just check this box. Also, if you want to show different results for different R scores, suppose I want to show like 0 to 50, I want to show something else for females, and 15 to 100, I want to show something else. So you can do it from there. You just need to add a minimum value and maximum value in your result variant. So I am adding some random text so I can identify the test result, sorry, form result. Let's see this into action. I choose male. Here you can see that we have seen the result for male. Now just do this thing with female also. Done. Now let's save this form. Once you save, you can click on embed form. Just see that here you will get the required code that how you can add this form into your HubSpot account. Now let's see this in action. So go to your HubSpot account and your design manager. Little coding, not coding knowledge. You just need to create a custom module. Click on new file, modules. Give any name to your module. Copy this code from here and paste it here. Done. Your custom module part is done. Now you just need to add this form into a website page. No more settings required. Go to website page. choose a template. Click on HubSpot form. Now it is running on your website. See the magic. Just publish your page. See, the form is working now. Let's test this form. I refresh the page and my name still remains there. This is the feature of this form. Means your value doesn't get off from your form even you submit or not. Click over next. Select mail. Tada! Your calculation is also working. If you refresh this page, you will remain here. Now, if you go to form submission, you will see that one form is submitted and one contact is created in your HubSpot CRM with contact ID 301. If you want more information about this form or want to explore more features, you can go to the documentation page from the icon below in your Formmaker website. You can explore the other options here, that how your form works. I mean, what are the different types in your forms. If I go to step form, I can edit this form also. See these options. The browse file option means you can restrict the formats also, which you don't want user to upload. I will add more options in future in this form. See the review. See the country select, slider, multi-select. See the multi-select. If I will add option, you need to add option into this. You can edit the label of that option. Just see how it looks. Also, image select is also available in text. See here. You can also watch our HubSpot form demos. By will you will get better understanding that what you can achieve from this form. That's it for now. You can start exploring this form. If you have any doubts and you are stuck somewhere, just contact me on info@ecoweb.ca and I would love to help you to exploring this form. I'm also adding my LinkedIn ID below the video, so you can reach out to me anytime.